This is Rebecca Vargas reporting live, and I am on the back of my horse right now, and it's awesome. Yes, she threw me off just a while ago whenever I didn't have a saddle on, and that was a painful experience, folks, but that's all part of this, I think. I guess so. All cow people get thrown off horses, or cows, or bulls, or whatever. Look at my beautiful horse's head. Oh, girl horse, girl horse. There we go. You can see me on the saddle. Yeah, that's me on the saddle. Awesome. And it's kind of muddy in the round pen. I would take her out in the pasture. There's some other horses out there right now. I don't know what she'd do around them. She's just really, I think, learning to really trust me. And when I hit the ground a while ago, that was some woo reality check. God bless. Anyway, I have positive affirmations about this situation. Like right now, I'm not even leading her, as you can see. I'm just kind of holding on to the reins, and I'm letting her take me, like a little kid in a circus where you ride those horses for like 2 tickets or whatever. That's kind of what's going on right here, because she just threw me off, and once that happens, you have to get back on, and you have to, I guess, assert your dominance over the herd, and her being my herd. I'm going to do that. I'm doing it. Let me tell you, it hurt. Girl horse. This is Rebecca Vargas reporting live. I'll be back on more horses, hopefully. Got to get this one down first. She stopped. Go.